Have you ever wondered about the experiences and challenges faced by soldiers captured during wartime? Prisoners of war, POWs, are individuals who are captured by an enemy force during armed conflict and held in detention under conditions that are often harsh and uncertain. During armed conflicts, soldiers may become prisoners of war when they are captured by opposing forces. This situation can arise from battles, ambushes, or surrenders where combatants are taken into custody. The treatment of POWs is governed by international humanitarian law, particularly the Geneva Conventions, which establish standards for the humane treatment of captured combatants and civilians during armed conflicts. For example, imagine soldiers captured during World War II and held in prisoner-of-war camps under conditions that varied widely depending on the captor's adherence to international laws and norms. POWs are entitled to basic protections, including adequate food, shelter, medical care, and protection from violence and torture. They must also be allowed to communicate with their families and receive correspondence. Although these rights have been violated in some historical instances, efforts to protect and assist prisoners of war extend beyond legal frameworks to include humanitarian efforts by organizations such as the International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC. The ICRC plays a crucial role in monitoring conditions in prisoner of war camps, facilitating communication between POWs and their families, and advocating for the humane treatment of detainees in accordance with international law. Despite these protections, prisoners of war often endure significant hardships and challenges. They may face isolation from loved ones, uncertainty about their future, and psychological trauma resulting from the experience of captivity. Long periods of confinement under stressful conditions can take a toll on mental and physical health, affecting individuals long after their release. The treatment of prisoners of war has evolved over time, influenced by changes in international norms, advances in humanitarian law, and efforts to promote accountability for violations. Instances of mistreatment or abuse of POWs have sparked international condemnation and calls for justice, highlighting the importance of upholding humanitarian principles even during times of conflict. In addition to legal protections, efforts to reintegrate former POWs into civilian life after their release are crucial for promoting reconciliation and healing in post-conflict societies. Reintegration programs may include medical and psychological support, vocational training, education, and community outreach to help individuals rebuild their lives and reconnect with their families and communities. The experiences of prisoners of war underscore the human cost of armed conflict and the importance of respecting fundamental rights and dignity in all circumstances. In conclusion, understanding the concept of prisoners of war involves examining their legal status, treatment during captivity, humanitarian efforts to protect their rights, and the challenges they face in reintegrating into society after release. By learning about the experiences of POWs, individuals can gain a deeper appreciation for the importance of upholding humanitarian principles, promoting respect for human rights, and preventing the mistreatment of individuals in times of conflict.